Portugal's 2026 immigration overhaul means new rules for everyone, stricter standards, new visa types, and tighter Schengen limitations. The new visa framework redefines eligibility with additional documentation and stricter conditions for almost every applicant. Job seeker visas require proof of skills and serious job search evidence. Employer sponsorship gets even more selective. Golden visa rules now demand higher investment and new requirements for proving economic impact, plus changes for family reunification. Schengen travel is now limited by new biometric protocols and advanced documentation checks at Portuguese borders. Cost of living has risen. Budget carefully. Compare city and regional prices before planning your move. Rental markets remain competitive. Start your housing search online early and prepare all required rental documents. Register for Portugal's national healthcare system as soon as you arrive. Bring all residency and insurance papers. Set up utilities right after moving. Major providers require proof of address and a Portuguese tax number. Cultural integration takes effort. Enroll in language classes early and join expat groups to build your network. Sarah from Brazil landed a tech job through the job seeker visa. Her employer sponsored her residency within months. The Silva family from South Africa secured housing and reunited thanks to Portugal's updated family visa process. Mark from the UK grew his consulting practice in Portugal by leveraging new investor-friendly residency options. Don't navigate these changes alone. Subscribe for weekly updates on Portugal immigration and career opportunities abroad.